Hey guys, it's Anna from BlackboxMyCar, and we have a special one today. We're finishing off 2023 with our top 12 most viral videos of the year. Find these videos by visiting our TikTok and Instagram channels. If you got some epic clips to share, be sure to do so in the link below and get yourself a $20 BlackboxMyCar gift card. 2023 is almost over. Let the countdown begin. Number 12. Coming up, number 11. Number 10. Our number 9. Number 8. Coming up, number 7. Number 6. Up next, number 5. Number 4. Number 3. and for our second most viral video of the year. And last but not least, our #1 most viral video of the year. Hey, the fun is not over yet. While these videos didn't make it to the top 12, they are still guaranteed to make you jump from your seat. Wow, thanks for joining me on this special ride. But hey, the excitement doesn't end here. You're still in time to share your epic dashcam footage with us. Don't miss a chance to earn a $20 BlackboxMyCar gift card. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more action-packed compilations every month. In behalf of the BlackboxMyCar team, have an amazing new year. We hope you celebrate safely with your loved ones. Until next time, drive smart and stay vigilant. Safe travels.